guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we're doing a slightly different video. So I have a bunch of stuff coming up in September, and I am in a huge crunch time, but I still wanted to share a really fun art video with you guys today. So I thought I'd share my emote creating process. So basically what I did was I recently made a lot of little emojis that are on my Discord currently, so if you want to join that and join our little fun art community, there's going to be a link down in the description. And then also these emotes are going to be used for when my Twitch eventually becomes a partner Twitch where I can add and upload emotes for users to use. So if you want to check them out firsthand, please feel free to join our Discord, but let's go ahead and I'll show you the process of me making me with a lot of different emotions. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, what's up? This is Katelyn. I mean, obviously, it's me. I don't know what happened to this intro, but either way, I was really excited to jump into these. This has been on my to-do list for quite a while. I sketched these different emotes on and off, I think probably, oh man, 1 to 2 weeks ago, maybe even longer. It's been a while, but it has been on my to-do list and something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, both to help the Discord chat and community have some little fun add-ons to their little chat, but also because I just really wanted to do it. After sketching them and having so much fun brainstorming and figuring out what emotions I wanted to do and kind of tapping into the inside jokes of the Twitch and Discord community, after figuring all that out, I was so excited because I already knew which emotions I wanted to cover and which ones I wanted to do, and I think these turned out super cute. I haven't drawn myself in a cartoony-ish style for quite a while. I think the last time was, probably the Bowser icon that I made for, I think that was Halloween last year? Maybe? Yeah, I drew myself as like a Bowser me fusion, and I know it's my Discord icon, and I think I have it as my Skype icon, maybe? I don't know. But I think that's the last time I really drew myself cartoony. And it was just so much fun to finally jump back into doing that and drawing myself in this style. I know I also had a fun little background insight. For a while I was planning on doing a story time animation type of thing. I was encouraged a lot by James and a few other people to try it out. So I was thinking about jumping in and doing one, and I did start drawing myself in a cartoony fashion for that. But I just ran out of time and energy with it. I think I'll jump into it again, but that one was a lot of fun to draw myself in a very cartoony and cute fashion. And I don't do it as much as I used to. It's kind of funny, I don't know, I don't do a lot of like self-portraits or drawing myself or drawing my persona of a character. I don't do it, but this was a lot of fun, so I think this has convinced me otherwise. Plus, I mean, it has a practical use. We're gonna be using it on the Discord server and probably the Twitch streams. So it was just, you know, it was needed, but more so it was fun. I don't know where I'm going with today's voiceover because my brain is going a million different directions right now, and I am also like super tired. So please excuse me if this voiceover is just kind of going everywhere and off the rails. So I know I didn't really talk much about the emotes yet, but basically, like I said, I sketched them in my sketchbook, I brought them in, I did some line art and some very basic coloring because I've noticed that in some emotes I've seen, if you overdo the highlights or the shadows, sometimes it gets really messy. You want to keep them kind of simple, but you don't want to be too simple. It's like a nice little fine balancing act. But after I figured out their like design and look and like the coloring of at least the first one, it was really easy to go through and get the rest of these going and started, and they just overall were a lot of fun. And so with that out of the way, let's talk about what's coming up in the near future on the channel. I know it's gonna be kind of a random side note, but I think it's fair to announce it now on here. I talked about it a little bit on my Discord, and I don't think I announced it on Patreon yet, but basically, fun little side note, I feel like a big YouTuber girl now. I got 2 sponsors that are going to be sponsoring the channel coming up on a couple different activities. So one of them is coming up in September, so keep your eye out. It's going to be next week. We're going to be releasing that video. And then another one, we're still working on some of the logistics behind it, and I don't think it's going to happen in September, but it probably will happen in either October or November from my guesstimate. So keep your eye out. I'm really excited. Like, I think it's fine to finally announce it because I'm just stupid excited. And my little channel here finally got some fun little sponsors, and I think you guys are gonna like them too because I went out of my way to try to get these guys to become sponsors of the channel, or at least like sponsors of a video. And they are really awesome companies, make some really cool stuff, and I think you guys are gonna like them. And this is just me gushing about it, but I'm excited. So be on the lookout for that. I'm super excited for that. And then, yeah, what else has been going on? This voiceover is completely off the rails from what I usually do. Geez, I'm totally blanking. You know what, let's talk about the art again because I can't think of anything else. So this one was our moderator, our head mod over on Discord, Sleepy. He's been around since the beginning doing moderation. We also have 3 other wonderful mods. My brother, we have Zethma, and we have Storm. All of them are great, amazing people, and Sleepy is our main head honcho, and we have so many jokes and memes with him in the community that we had to make like a little emote for him, and then he always uses his ban button, which we had to make, and it's so much fun. I have so many more ideas for more emotes, so make sure to go join Discord to see which ones are coming up really soon. Alright, so there we have it. We have all of our different emotes done. So we have the disappointed mom emote, we have the angry emote, we have the dragon daddy emote. That's a fun inside joke. We have the panic emote, we have the tee-hee, I guess you could call it, emote, the crying emote, and then our wonderful main mod over on the Discord, Sleepy, and then as requested, a fun little for fun ban button. But either way, all of these were really fun, and it was just fun to make myself in a lot of different emotions. And one step that you guys didn't see in this was I took these and I made them very large files. So they're currently 10 by 10 inches in Photoshop, and then I scaled them down so then I could upload them to Discord. And that kind of brings a give and take to them because on the mobile version of Discord, I think these emotes look really great, but then on the desktop ones, they look a little small. So I'm gonna play around with these a little bit more, but I thought first and foremost, this would make a really cute sticker sheet. So let me know if you guys would like little stupid stickers of my face. I'll have a poll right here somewhere. Let me know, do you want me to make a cool little sticker sheet with like all of these? Plus I'll probably throw in my 2 dogs, Elsa and Coda, with like cute little faces and maybe a few other fun ones. What do you guys think? Go ahead and leave a vote in the poll or a comment down below. You know what, actually, while you're in the comments, go ahead and let me know what other emotions you would like to see me make of myself or on the sticker sheet. I would love to hear what you guys would like. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if you aren't already, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week ranging from monster mashes to some random little art things like this. And currently I'm running the 100 Dragons Challenge, which you'll see another one this Friday. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.